Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set a Spotify song as a ringtone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set a Spotify song as a ringtone, you need to make sure that you have an MP3 song downloader. This requires third-party tools since Spotify does not allow you to directly download songs to use for ringtones. So you can use a Spotify to MP3 creator like Converter or record the song using Audacity or any audio recorder. Now save it in MP3 or MP4R format depending on your phone. Simply move the MP3 file to your phone and then set ringtone on Android or your iPhone. So, by the help of a third party app, you can simply set a ringtone from your Spotify song. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.